Afternoon, everybody. Here, this is Sage Hathaway back with you again. Sorry, I did not do the unboxing video earlier of the new police stuff I got today. Um, this universal handcuff key, and see that? This is the one with the flag on it I've been waiting for, and I finally received it. And it came pretty quickly, in today's December 7th already. And these are the Winchester handcuffs. You can take a see. Yeah, so these are just plain old Winchester handcuffs. Yep. I'll show you how they work. Just yep. And these are made in the USA. They claim it's made in Taiwan, but they must have put it in the incorrectly when they made these cuffs here in the United States. Oh yeah, I want to show you one more thing. See, it's got two instead of one piece. It's got two pieces of the of the of the moving part inside. Yeah. Okay, guys. So that's gonna be it here, and I'm gonna post this on YouTube right now. And see, let's take a look at this one more time. Yeah. And take care, everybody.